What's up, guys? This is my 1992 Honda Civic, and I'm going to be replacing the axles. They have been ticking for over 10 years. I'm going to be replacing the seals too, the axle seals. "10 years, man. Every time I turn, it's been click, 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 click." But yeah, let's get to it. So here's the new axle. Got it from Car Done. I believe this is the passenger side. The driver's side should be coming in today. Take out the cotter pin, lower cotter pin, and then 17 millimeter. We're gonna pop this out. Now we're gonna stick this in here, separate the ball joint. We're gonna take out this 17 that's holding this strut in place. We're gonna remove this so we can have some more room to remove the axle. Next, we're going to remove this axle nut. It's a 32. And take this and get this nut out of the cavity. If yours is as old as mine's, my axle's kind of stuck in there, so you're going to have to hit it with a hammer. There we go. So we'll just push this lower control arm down, and then we can slide that axle. We got this side of the axle out. Now we're gonna go on the other side and just use a pry bar and then pry it out of the tranny. There we go. So there's the new axle compared with the old one. The Car Done 664064. This is the driver's side right here. This is the driver's side. And this part number is 664060. So I'm gonna go ahead and replace the seals. This is the part number 91206 PL3A01. This is for the passenger side. Yes, there is a difference. One's bigger than the other. Driver's side is smaller. This part number, this has a different part number because this is the aftermarket, but and 91205 is the driver's side. I'm just gonna use my pry bar. I got it out though. Don't do what I did. And put a pan under. Okay, here's the new seal. Here's the old seal. I mean, the old seal was probably still good. There was no leaks or anything, but I'm already here, so like I said, might as well just do it. Tap it lightly, evenly. My seal is actually in too far, so I want to push it out more to where it's lined up and flush. See how it's not flush with this? It has like a millimeter or something like that. So I'm gonna pull it out a little bit, and I'll show you guys how it's supposed to be flush. Okay, you guys can see that's nice and flush now. Okay, now we're gonna put in our new axle. Comes with a new axle nut too, which is great. Now we're gonna stick it in. There you go. Now it's in all the way. Okay, to make this easier, we're gonna take out the bottom bracket of the strut, and it's just a 14 right here. It kept hitting my boot, so I just wanted to make it easier on myself. I just took it out. You guys don't have to do that. I've seen a lot of people, they didn't take the bottom out and they just slid it through, but I chose to, so it was just a 14 millimeter. But yeah, we're gonna put everything back on. Lower ball joint back in. You know, put the lower bracket back on. This 14 back in. Okay, and the reason why you guys didn't see me take this off in the first place, my brake lines were just dangling. So, but I'm just gonna zip tie it. There you go, zip tie technician. Okay, now we're gonna torque everything down. This 14 is 32 foot-pounds. And this bottom one is 47. 32 millimeter axle nut is 134 foot-pounds. I have a bar wedged in between right here. Also, don't forget to hit in this notch. There you go. Lower ball joint is 36 to 43 foot-pounds. You torque it down, put the cotter pin. Thing I forgot to mention is that right now is a good time to just drain and change your transmission fluid. I already drained my transmission fluid about not too long ago, so I don't have to do it, but yeah, I just got this because I'm gonna top it off. But yeah, that's it, guys. Basically it on how to change axles and axle seals on a 92 and up Honda Civic. Specifically for this model, it's a 92 to 95 Honda Civic. So yeah, all right guys, have a good one. Like and subscribe. Peace.